Hey folks, good afternoon from Donegal, Ireland. This is John here from WP Food School, and I just want to update the trailer on the YouTube channel because I want to show you guys something super duper exciting. The spotlight feature that Grow by Mediavine has for attracting website visitors to sign up on the forums is really popular. People love it for that because it's really effective at getting subscribers, and I've been doing those video tutorials recently about putting the forms on your website to save the recipe to your inbox for lead gen here. And this morning I've been working really hard all morning and I got it working here for the forms, for the save recipe to inbox forms. When people come down, that you get that shadow in the background and it highlights the form and to grab their attention so that you can stuff your email marketing software with new subscribers. There's people doing this, folks, with the Grow feature by Mediavine, and it's working really well for them. And now, if you get in touch with me, I'll be able to set this up for the save recipe to inbox form. So isn't it super duper awesome?